What is going on, guys? It's your man James, and today we are talking about affiliate marketing. And in this video, I'm going to show you a very unique method to do affiliate marketing where you're going to have free traffic and you can promote lots of really great offers without needing to go to ClickBank or Max Bounty or ShareSell or anything like that. It's a super effective way without needing to have approvals from other affiliate marketing programs. So let's get started. So here we are looking at SimilarWeb, and this is a great website to see the amount of traffic different websites get. And this is a really good way to get some credibility, okay? Because you can't trust, websites to see if they have legit traffic, right? So I typed Udemy.com, and I'm going to explain to you why I did that in just a second. But first, I want to show you the traffic numbers, right? So we have total visits to Udemy.com. We have 100 million. We have a little bit over 100 million, 111 million. We have 110 million. 101 million. So last month, this website got 102 million visits. Average visit duration is 10 minutes. Pages per visit 65. Bounce rate is very low. And here are the countries that you can get an idea. You also have the map of countries and stuff like that. We also have the traffic sources. And what is Udemy, right? Well, you should be aware and you should be familiar with what exactly is Udemy.com. Udemy.com is basically, it's a site that hosts different courses. So if you think about YouTube, it's a video hosting service. Udemy is an online course hosting service. And so you can create courses, you can sell them, and you're going to be getting a split with Udemy. And we're going to be using this to make money, not just with courses, but I'm going to show you another unique method that's going to work really well. But first, you want to familiarize yourself with Udemy. So you can type pretty much anything. They have some courses here that are kind of these courses on the front page. Suggested courses, showcased courses. We have Python, Excel. These are like tech courses, AWS certification, drawing, data science, JavaScript, stuff like that. So as you can see, it has 183,000 video courses, and you can choose courses taught by real-world experts, learn at your own pace, etc., etc. Now, if you go into Google or Bing, whatever you like, and you can type udemy.com start a business. We have courses that have to do with starting a business. So here we have the complete guide, start a business while you work. We can open this up, and here you have the complete guide, start a business while you work. So as you can see, it has 4.5 stars. 956 students have been enrolled. It's created by this guy here, and you have a bunch of stuff here, right? So you can get an idea what this course is about. Right, who is this for? You can also get ideas, like you can see what kind of content there is in the course here. Course content, 5 sections, 35 lectures. We can expand those sections, and we can get an idea what this course is all about. Now, what we want to do, guys, is we want to create a similar course, and we want to sell it for a relatively small price. We want to undercut the competition because inside the course, we are going to be promoting various affiliate marketing offers. And so let me explain to you exactly how this is going to work. So if you take a look at this course, you don't even need to buy this course or anything like that. You can just go to the course content, and as you can see, there are some videos here, but there's also text files, right? Stop thinking like an employee, the difference between employees and entrepreneurs, and you have various video files here, right? And so what we want to do is, we want to pick a niche. You do not need to do this niche if that's not what you want to do. And we want to either create this video content, or we want to actually go ahead and purchase this video content. And one of the contents here, one of the files, is going to be different offers that are going to be targeted to the people that are interested in starting a business. Now, like I said, guys, this is not only for this niche. The reason I picked this niche, obviously, is because my channel is making money online. So I'm a lot more comfortable in promoting this kind of niche. It does not need to be this niche. You can pick health and fitness. You can do self-improvement. You can do dating and relationships. It does not need to be make money online. But if you want to do make money online, then that's absolutely fine, because that is exactly what I'm doing here. So if you wanna copy my method, you are free to do that. And so let me continue. And so in this video, I'm going to be focusing on make money online. But as I mentioned before, you can pick any niche that you want. And so what you guys want to do is you want to sign up with Udemy. You want to create your free account. And then what you guys want to do is you want to either create this course yourself, or if you don't want to do that, it's very, very easy. You can just Google PLR content, start a new business course. Okay, PLR stands for private label rights. And what that essentially is it's a way for you to get not only the content, but also the rights to that content, meaning that you can have the whole course, but you also have the permission to go out and to sell this course as though it's yours. You have the right, you have the permission as though it's yours, as though you created it. And so I just Googled it and I have a lot of results here, and you can go ahead. So let's say we open this one right here. We're going to open this up. And so you have this content here and you can just download it. Now, if I open this article, I see that the product files are text, PNG, and JPG. What this means is that this does not have any video files. So if you want to have video files, you need to search for something else. You need to find another course. And that's actually really easy to do. Let me show you a really good site where you can get this content. So you can just type PLR content and you're going to find a lot of sites. Now, the site that I like is Buy Quality PLR. I'm not affiliated with the site or anything like that. And you have full courses, videos, premium PLR packages, lead magnets, brandable courses. So take a look at this one right here. You have true courses here. You have video content, you have text, you have images, you have PDFs, everything that you need for a full featured course. Now, once you have this course, what you guys need to do is you need to go out and create a document and promote different affiliate programs. So now you might be thinking is that, James, I know how to create a document, but what kind of affiliate program should I promote? And that's also really, really easy to do. All you have to do is Google something like this, and you're going to see a lot of results. I opened one of the first results, and this is called 101 Awesome Affiliate Programs to Make Money. Now, if I scroll down, you're going to see here's some of the best. Do your own research to find which best fits your audience. And so what you guys have here is hand-picked affiliate programs that are targeted for new entrepreneurs. So people that are starting a business. Take a look at this one. And you can sign up for this affiliate program so that you can promote it. Then once you're done, you can just go ahead and log into your Google Docs account. Everybody has free Google Docs if you have a Google account. And you can create a document that looks something like this. So I called it New Entrepreneur Starter Kit. Last updated this and this. And you can say, hey, name, here's some great offers to accelerate your new business. And you can essentially copy these. You can do something like this, something very similar. Of course, you're going to delete all this. You're just going to, pick the offers that you want. You're going to sign up with the offers, right? You're going to go in here. You're going to go to Bluehost, and they give you the direct link to sign up to their affiliate program, right? So you want to sign up for Pure VPN? You can do that. Start earning now. And so that way you don't need to do any research. It's all given to you because I've done the research for you. Once you've done the research, you pick the offers you want to work with. You can just go in here, have a list, and then specify instead of telling them per sale, because they're not going to be making per sale. That's what you're going to be making. That's what we're going to be making. You could say like the best hosting service for new businesses, something like this. And then you can, there's Bluehost. Maybe you don't want to promote these other hosting services. You can just remove this. And then what you have is Nestify. So I don't know what Nestify is actually. There's Nestify. Let's take a look. It's best easy steps to get a hassle-free affiliate program. So this is to create an affiliate program. It's not hosting anymore. And that way you can promote one hosting, one, Nestify. Then you have a VPN. You have something else here. And that way you can create various offers. Now, next, what you want to do is you want to go to File. You want to download as a PDF. Okay, you're going to click that. See, if I click it here, I can preview it. This is what the file looks like. Now, obviously, all of these are going to be affiliate links, and you're not going to display the bonus because they're not going to be getting it. You're going to have the description here. So name of the service, link to their affiliate link for them to sign up, and then a little description why they should sign up for that service. Once you save all of this as a PDF, you're going to combine it with the course that you got here. So maybe you purchased one here, maybe you got it as a free gift. It's, if you need to purchase it, it's going to cost a few bucks. It's definitely not going to break the bank or anything like that. You're going to combine it, and then you're going to go back to Udemy. You're going to create your account, and you're going to submit a course. Now, you can set a decent price to it if you want, but I recommend not setting a very high price because you're going to be making money with affiliate marketing as well. So there's no need to sell this course for like $100. You can sell it for like $5, $7, because you're going to be making money with affiliate marketing. Because once they read the course, once they do everything, like here in this course, I download it, I add to cart, I buy it now, I read everything, right? So if I scroll down, I watch the videos, and then, I'm going to see a PDF. It could be in the beginning, could be in the end. And then, this is my PDF. These are my offers to you, special offers as part of you purchasing the course or something like that. And then they can click on it, and then they can do affiliate marketing. Now, this is a very, very flexible method, because not only are we going to be getting free traffic from Udemy, we're also going to be making money with the course sales. We're going to be making money with affiliate marketing, and you can use any niche that you want. So you do not need to start a business. You can say lose weight. You can do something like this, find courses similar to lose weight. You want to look at courses to get an idea, right? That is why, I'm not telling you to go out and create a course. You want to see what's already there, right? So as an example, this course is almost 1,000 students enrolled. I understand what kind of content. It only has 5 sections. I understand that this is doable. I understand that this is something that I can make. And that makes it easier for me. It makes it doable for me. Very, very important. You can go back and you can do relationships. Okay. And you're going to see a lot of interesting You can also search it on Udemy, right? You can say relationships. And you're going to see what Udemy is recommending, right? So here we have ask better questions, build better relationships, $12.99. 18,000 people enrolled, almost 19,000. Now, you're not going to sell a course for $190. That's just too much. But $12.99 is a good price, maybe $9.99, maybe $10.99. That's a good price. You can also put dating, see what comes up. Okay, there you go. The dating blueprint. Relatively new course, but it's showing up on the front page, which means that it's going to be promoting it, right? You can also put make money online and seeing what the results. So I recommend you spend at least like an hour, maybe half an hour, maybe an hour, at least an hour, just going through the results and researching your niche. This is super, super important to do. I highly recommend that you do it. Obviously, I like make money online, but maybe you like relationships, you want self-improvement. So you can do self-improvement, and then you can get an idea. What is your competition? So take a look at this self-improvement, and we only have courses that have almost these are like brand new courses, and yet they're on the front page. So this means that, you have a chance of ranking very well. And Udemy is really good in terms of promoting new instructors, new people, new courses, right? So do not worry where, you're afraid that if you, create a course now, it's not going to promote you. As you can see, this is a fairly popular search phrase, and yet I'm seeing courses that are relatively new. Maybe something like this, marriage. There you go, creating a happy marriage. So you can create a course just about anything. You can just purchase it. You can create your own. You can find affiliate marketing offers using the exact steps that I mentioned in this video. All right, guys. So that is the method I wanted to show you guys today. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Let me know if you have any questions I can answer. Let me know if I can help out in any way. I will answer all questions to help you guys out. I would really love to hear what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, I'd appreciate a like. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about this method. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next